The 3rd Marine Expeditionary Force conducted the field training portion of exercise Resolute Dragon 23 from October 14th to October 31st. Resolute Dragon 23 is an annual bilateral exercise in Japan that strengthens the command, control, and multi-domain maneuver capabilities of Marines in III MEF and Allied Japan Self-Defense Force personnel. Approximately 3,300 Marines from III MEF and joint partners from U.S. Army, Navy, and Air Force worked alongside approximately 5,000 service members from the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, Western Army, and joint partners. During Resolute Dragon 23, many historic firsts took place, such as the first deployment of a U.S. Marine Corps TPS-80 ground-air task-oriented radar flown aboard a Japan Air Self-Defense Force Kawasaki C-2 cargo airplane. The exercise reinforced optimizing force posture and showcased a strong commitment to maintain robust presence in the region as a part of the stand-in force to create a free and open Indo-Pacific.